चलो कर दे।
Okay. Hi, dosto. Welcome back to the ninth episode of the Adulting Podcast, where we do what we do. Saurabh, आज के podcast में हम बात करेंगे about high trust businesses. मेरा पहला सवाल ये है कि what is a high trust business?
Okay, I'll come to the business later, but I'll tell you what is high trust. So I was in Bangkok last week and I realized Bangkok में जब लोग जाते ना तो दुकानें बंद नहीं करते. They just put us thing board saying come back soon, BRB. And that's it, man. That's fucking it. There's no lock, nothing. So essentially, they operate on trust. They have immense trust and faith onto everybody that you can imagine, and that is a brilliant place to be at. And because of that trust, they don't have that extra chod and raita of saving, locking, taking care of it, bills, this, that, blah, blah, blah. Zero problem. Imagine do that in India. Imagine keeping your wallet on the road in India. It will be gone before you know it. मतलब लोग की जेब से जा रहे हैं वहाँ नहीं जा रहा. तो point is कि इंडिया में ट्रस्ट जीरो है. मतलब अगर तू किसी को बोलती है मैं आपसे 5 रुपये में काम करूंगा, वो इंडिया वाला इंसान कोशिश करता है तुमसे 5 के 6 निकालने में, 6 का 7 निकालने में, मतलब फ्रीज कर ही जान लेंगे और वो चिंदी चोरी करेंगे. तुम उसको 50,000 रुपये दे रहे हो बट वो एक्स्ट्रा 1,000 रुपये के लिए पैंट कर देगा तुम्हारी. ऑन की तरह बैंकॉक में तुम 50,000 तुमने बोल दिया तो 50,000 रुपये है. मतलब रिक्शा मीटर से जाएगा. मतलब ऑब्वियसली देयर आर टूरिस्ट ट्रैप्स दैट यू लुक एट, बट इफ यू इग्नोर दोस देयर इज very large efficiency built in because of this trust as a component. So now translate that to businesses. If you have businesses that have this trust built into it, automatically those businesses become better. Like for example, today if I want to offer somebody freelance projects, it is very easy for me to say that hey, you know what, trust me, I will ensure that you get the right value, ROI, effort from me because of this effort, because of this trust that we have. So high trust business is one wherein every stakeholder knows that they will not be taken for a ride. And how do you do that? You do that through multiple manners. Like for example, one of the ways I found at C4E is that most people are most insecure about money. मैं लोगों को पहले बोल रहा हूँ कि तेरे पैसे ये तेरे को इस दिन मिलेंगे and I will ensure that उस दिन पैसे मिल जाए. C4E चालू हो गया 4 साल हो गए. 4 साल में हमने एक बार पैसे डिले किए होंगे, वो भी इसलिए because I was unprepared for financial year closing of 31st March, I think 2 years ago. उसके अलावा हर महीना there are 50 people that send bills to C4E. We do not delay anybody's money. If I have to take loan on my own name, I do that. If I have to beg to people, I do that. If I cannot pay, I inform them कि पैसे नहीं मिलेंगे, काम करना है नहीं तो मत कर. So I've removed the doubt of money from the heads of people that they can communicate to me. So that's one big way of building trust in people. That money is taken care of. Second, what we promise is what you get. Agar if I promise that you are part of my core team, you will be treated like that, and everybody will be treated like that. Everybody has absolute freedom and absolute autonomy to be part of those conversations, and that is something that builds trust. Third, जो मेरे दिल में है, जो मेरे दिमाग में है, वो मेरी जुबान पर है. I learned this yesterday. मेरा दिल, जुबान और दिमाग सब सेम बात बोलता है. What I see, what I say, what I think, what I do, what I believe. All of it is same, and that's something that I want to inculcate into every person at C4E, because the moment that happens, you automatically know that if Saurabh is saying that Anshika I love you, Anshika knows that Saurabh तो प्यार करते हैं, वो भी बोल रहा है, नहीं तो नहीं बोलेगा. If I tell Sam that I want to shoot with you tomorrow, but I will pay you in 3 months, Sam should be able to say me, if Saurabh has said that he'll pay me in 3 months, I will get in 3 months. Let me know work for him, and that is how you build a high trust society, by doing it over and over again. High trust society is like glass, also like virginity. Broken once, never coming back. Glass and virginity. Point is, sorry, I had to make this joke, but point is, you need to be able to build that in your conduct. So my conduct has to be consistent every day. ऐसा नहीं हो सकता कि मैं 6 दिन कंसिस्टेंट हूँ, 7 दिन चीट कर रहा हूँ, फिर मैं 3 दिन कंसिस्टेंट हूँ, 4 दिन चीट कर रहा हूँ, 25 दिन कंसिस्टेंट हूँ, 26 दिन चीट कर रहा हूँ. No man, the first day I cheat, the glass is shattered. The first day I cheat, the virginity is broken. So anything I do, I have to ensure that मेरी जुबान की कीमत होगी, and that's how you build high trust businesses. So everything we do has to be जो बोला वो करना है, और जो पैसे दिए वो करना है, जो टाइम बोला वो करने का है, and that's how you keep repeating it. And in a country like India, you have to communicate that. By default, if you're honest, by default, if you're on time, by default, if you're living to your word, people don't respect you, man. You have to reinforce and tell them कि मैंने बोला मैंने किया, मैंने बोला मैंने किया, and after 4th time, it becomes a habit. मतलब जैसे तुम्हें पता है कि सन सुबह उगने वाला है ना, तो C4E ने कुछ बोला था वो होगा, हाँ होगा ही होगा. There is no doubt about it, unless a nuclear fission fusion, some shit happens in the sun solar planet, it will not change. Now this is what high trust business society is. This is what I want to build, and this is where we are. Phone cut gaya. Chandni cut my call.
Yeah.
But this is recording, so that's okay.
Nuclear.
Are you back, AK? Yeah. AK, we lost you for a minute. Start again.
We are checking if you trust me to be on the call or not.
Hello. I was telling you that your network was unstable. I lost you for a second.
That's okay.
The last thing I heard was that nuclear fission से sun unstable दिख रहा है नहीं दिख रहा है.
हाँ मतलब अगर जितनी सर्टेनिटी है कि कल सुबह सूरज उगेगा उतनी सर्टेनिटी है कि C4E will operate as a high trust company. That we will not cheat anybody, we will not short anybody. We will make a lot of money. We will buy a thing for 10 rupees and sell it to a client for 1000 rupees. But बोल के करेंगे. क्लाइंट को बोलेंगे आपका 1000 रुपये बजट है 1000 मिलेगा. उसका मैं 10 दे रहा हूँ कि 100 दे रहा हूँ कि 50 दे रहा हूँ मेरा प्रॉब्लम है. बट अगर 10 बोला तो 10 मिलेगा. 50 बोला तो 50 मिलेगा. Often we lose money. I mean, in one of the projects, Chandni lost like 5 lakh rupees for us, which is fine because of high trust. We paid our suppliers, but our client didn't pay us. Unlike a lot of other companies, we didn't go to our suppliers and say, "अरे client ने पैसे नहीं दिए, I cannot pay you." Your contract was with me, not with my client. I ensured that I pay from my pocket. I will always do that. Client will not pay me. That is what high trust is.
Understood. So this is high trust when it comes to business, right? And
Yeah.
business is dealing with people by the part. How do you build trust with individuals so that it also becomes a part of your business as a whole? You know, do you understand what I mean?
So thing is, people are people. मतलब you okay. So think of yourself going on a hot stove. If you touch a hot stove and you burn your hand, you will not touch the hot stove again. And every time you have to touch a stove, you will touch it gingerly first. कि अरे जल तो नहीं जाएगा. And then do the next thing. So same with people. If you are consistent with people, if you behave in a certain manner with people all the time, they will start building their trust on you. So for example, if I go to a Starbucks, Seema at Starbucks, if I talk to Seema every time with politeness, Seema will start trusting me at a point in time. But if I go today and I talk to her rudely, tomorrow I'm polite with her, day after I'm indifferent to her, fourth day I'm again polite with her, that will be inconsistent with my expectations. So people expect consistent behaviors. You take up a Uber and not a rickshaw because you expect Uber to behave in a certain manner. You expect Uber to offer service in a certain manner. And the moment you do that, automatically your trust on Uber as a business becomes higher. So that is what I would say, that consistent behavior shown across businesses, across people is what builds trust in people.
Okay.
I forgot how to solve Rubik's Cube, bro.
Is that how you extra budget?
That is why now I fiddle with a dog ball.
Yeah, I know.
Solve नहीं करना होता.
Clone. अगला question. So consistent behavior with people is what builds trust, to be honest.
Is that the only thing that you?
It is not the only one, but it is the starting point for sure. AK. What I also mean by that is that क्या होता है ना कि people are nothing but a reflection of the lives they've lived. मतलब for example, अगर तेरा life ने बहुत काटा है आज के पहले, तो you approach each thing with a suspicion कि यार क्या करूँगा मैं, क्यों कर रहा हूँ मैं, इससे मेरा कट तो नहीं जाएगा, मैं पहले अपने पैसे ले लेता हूँ, पहले अपना काम कर लेता हूँ. So point is, you need to be able to understand who they are, where they come from. So for example, if I know you, I know तेरा life में बहुत काटा है, तो I will give you that validation and comfort कि bro मैं तेरा काटूंगा नहीं, and I'll do whatever it takes to ensure कि तेरा कटे ना. And that is the value of the ability to build trust with people. मतलब that's the way to do it, to be honest.
Guest question.
Hi, बोल.
So you have to understand the other person also
Absolutely.
deeply.
You need to know who those people are and then work with them. So call it empathy, call it trust, call it whatever. But that's how it is.
Understood.
हाँ जाननी क्या question?
हाँ ये था कि you have to then know the people and what takes them really well, right? Trust is not, it's on default. It can't.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you think that it is more beneficial for me as a human being to be more trusting of the world or less trusting? Because if I'm more trusting, you probably get cheated out, or if you're less trusting, you miss out on things. So what is the balance and how do you find it?
Good question. Actually, brilliant question. I have to think. I have not figured. So the answer is a tough one, to be honest. So each person has to have their own philosophy around it. My philosophy is very, very simple, and which is as follows: that I play a game in the trustful manner till you cheat with me. So I'll trust you first, you will trust me next. मतलब I will start with that by saying that मैं तेरे को trust करता हूँ, तू मेरे को क्या चाहिए? I will do whatever it takes to win your heart, whatever it takes to win your trust. I will do that, and then I expect you to do the same to me, and I'll keep repeating this till you defect. I will not be the first one to defect. That's how I operate. And once somebody defects with me for the first time, for the rest of my life I don't trust them ever again. Like first time you mess up with me, this is the only last time that I give you. So that's how I operate, and that is how my guiding principle has been, and that is what has kept me afloat, तो नहीं बोलूँगा, kept me going all these years. And often people have taken me for a ride. I treat that cheating as a tax that I pay to live a easy free life. Like for example, if I know that you're going to cheat with me, I will be circumspect talking to you again. If I know Chandni is going to cheat with me, I will think like that. If Dhwani is cheating with me, I will think like that. But the moment I know that I don't have the load to think before I talk to you, I know that I'll trust you. Even if you take me for a ride, you will take me right for once, twice. There is no second chance. You will take me right for one time, and then you and I will not ever talk again. And you know it. There are so many people that I often say, जैसे नत्थु जी बोलते हैं कि उनका पन्ना ही फाड़ दो. तो I'm with that. मतलब एक बार cheating कर लो, दो बार cheating नहीं कर सकते. You can cheat me once, but you cannot cheat me twice. Oh, that's good.
ठीक है. मेरे को बता, and this is C4E first question, right? हम अभी with you particularly, people might have the highest level of trust if it comes to between any other team members, right? Like
Correct.
Anshika and anybody else compared to Anshika and SG will be the highest and replace any Anshika or anybody else.
Correct.
In the ecosystem, right? But we also want the team to be able to trust each other.
Yeah.
Everybody, every member, it should be equal if not more. जो AKSG level. How do you build that in your team? वो trust किधर से आएगा?
So before
I place it to you. Give me 5 things somebody should do to build that in their team.
So before I answer the question, I want to add a qualifier that I have not been able to implement that 100% in my team either. ऐसा नहीं है कि आज AK and Kaushik trust each other like AK trust Saurabh and Kaushik trust Saurabh. I have not been able to build 100% in my life. But having said that, I know some ingredients. Ingredients are, there is something called APOT, Associative Property of Trust. If AK trusts Saurabh and Saurabh trusts Kaushik, I want to believe that AK should trust Kaushik in the same way that she trusts Saurabh. मतलब chain है वो. If I trust you,
कौन सी property है?
APOT, Associative Property of Trust.
Oh, associative. Okay.
APOT. That's one. Now, often when it is Saurabh in the middle, it's easy. But moment Saurabh goes away, it becomes very, very tough to have it translated. Like tomorrow, if I die, I don't think Anshika will trust Kaushik as much as Anshika will trust Kaushik with Saurabh in the middle. So my job on day-to-day basis is to have these people practice this trust building process within each other. So how do you practice it? You make them talk to them each other one-to-one. You give them tasks and games, and you allow them to practice that. Honestly, I've not been able to build it in my team either, but I want to work on it as an individual lot more. So that's one. Second is individual coaching is required. Like AK, for example, you've been burnt by somebody in the past. Kaushik could have been burnt by somebody in the past. Vishnu could have been burnt by somebody in the past. Now you only operate from that past principle that you have. You don't operate from current. You operate with you are sum total of all the experiences and baggages that you have. I need to do one-to-one mentorship with you, coaching with you, to open up your eyes to not be doubting other people. And that's the very, very tough part, because you will not open up to me easily. Kaushik will not open up to me easily. Brishi is still sleeping on the couch. So I do not know how to do that. I am still learning that. But in my sense, the ones who have been able to get through the defenses, I have been able to build them into better trusting people. Third thing I would have done, this I should have captured, is that I have removed risk from your life. So AK, if you work for C4E and you make a loss for C4E, you will not be penalized. In a lot of companies, the employee gets penalized for a decision they take. In our company, we don't penalize employees, we penalize the company. If you make a loss for C4E, the loss is C4E's. If you make a profit for C4E, the profit is yours. So, same principle that I started with, that money I have removed altogether. So from your equation, money is removed. You are fearless about money. You can take a decision and say, मैं करती हूँ, loss होगा तो होगा, profit होगा तो होगा. So that is something that I've been able to do well, and at least that has worked very, very well for me in terms of being able to trust, being able to build trust between people, between my team.
मेरे पास एक सवाल था. आपने बोला, I asked you 5 things we can do to build trust within the people in my team. First is put them together, have them talk, one-on-one dates.
past traumas.
perspective. What?
Past traumas.
Yeah, okay. And third is कि आपने उनके life का risk reduce कर दिया है, especially by removing the money का.
Everything, not just money, even repercussion. अगर तूने कंपनी के लिए कुछ किया और चूक गया तो तेरे को फायर नहीं कर देंगे हम.
इससे टीम में कैसे ट्रस्ट आता है?
टीम में ट्रस्ट नहीं आता. इंडिविजुअली यू आर लिटिल मोर बोल्ड टू टेक डिसीजंस एंड व्हेन टू ऑफ यू इंटरैक्ट यू आर नॉट डूइंग इट बिकॉज ऑफ द फियर ऑफ अदर थिंग्स. ऑफन क्या होता है तुम डर के काम करते हो कि मैं कुछ करूंगा कौशिक कुछ कर देगा, मेरे ऊपर क्या गाज गिरेगी, कौशिक पे क्या होगा. बट मोमेंट आई रिमूव दैट नोबडी इज बॉदर्ड अबाउट इट. दैट
ठीक है.
एंड देन द टीम कैन वर्क टुगेदर टू डू मोर.
Got it.
बट उसमें चैलेंज ये है कि सेल्फ अकाउंटेबिलिटी एंड रिलायबिलिटी हैज टू बी हाई, which I've not been able to build in my team. I'm admitting that. I don't think there is anybody in my team, including me, who's 100% reliable with what they say. That's something I will fix as I go along.
ठीक है. समझा. मेरे को 2 चीजें और बताओ. Do you have 2 more things on how to build trust in your team?
I wish I had those things. I would have done them.
Okay. If somebody finds out, please tell us in the comments.
Okay, I can tell you one more thing that I want to train my team to not have attachments to material things.
Oh,
Phone,
Example?
फोन, लैपटॉप, पैसा, खाना, पिज्जा, ट्रैवल. फोमो नहीं क्रिएट करना है. आई नो यू हैव अ थिंग बट आई एम सेइंग इफ आई एम एबल टू ट्रेन माय पीपल कि तुमसे कुछ छीन नहीं रहा है, तुमसे कुछ लूज नहीं हो रहा है. इट्स ओके. एक तरह से 11 होते हैं. लाइक वन ऑफ थिंग्स दैट मीर टॉट मी रिसेंटली वाज दैट अगर कंपनी में 3 फाउंडर है तो तीनों फाउंडर्स को एक कंपनी बनाने की जरूरत नहीं है. दे कुड बी 3 डिफरेंट रूम्स ओपनिंग 3 डिफरेंट डोर्स फॉर द कंपनी. सो नाउ आई हैव blind faith and trust in the other 2 founders to open doors. Similarly, at C4E, you should have blind faith in other people to do the right thing for C4E, and you should have the confidence that if there's a right thing for C4E that happens, it will trickle down to you also. So you know that you are chilling and somebody else is working for you. The moment that happens, you enable them to do more things for you. They are more driven to do for you. That's something that I've been trying to build. That एक और एक 11 करो, एक और एक 2 मत करो, एक और एक मत करो. Actually, that's a good one. एक और एक मत करो, एक और एक 11 करो.
is it also a scarcity problem? This idea?
No, I don't think it's a scarcity problem. None of us is a scarce place.
Yeah,
Scarce place.
correct.
मतलब everybody has enough and more to feed themselves. We have enough to feed our needs. We may not have enough to feed our wants.
Correct.
सबकी नीड पूरी हो रही है. सबको खाना ठीक से मिल रहा है, सबको टाइम ठीक से मिल रहा है, इज्जत मिल रही है, सब कुछ मिल रहा है. वॉन्ट शायद नहीं मिल रही है, नीड तो मिल ही रही है.
Yeah.
That.
It's nice.
Okay. Got it. Fifth नहीं है. ठीक है.
Fifth नहीं है.
Next question. फिर से ढूंढना पड़ेगा तभी सॉल्व होगा. But next question is, आपने बोला कि it is really important for somebody to get out of their past traumas, right? And अगर तुम्हारे पास टीम है तो you can coach them out of it or talk to them about it, sit down, talk जो भी. लेकिन अगर मैं एक इंडिविजुअल इंसान हूँ जिसके लाइफ में बहुत ट्रॉमा रहा है और मैं ट्रॉमा में जी रही हूँ, how do I, and I don't have a Saurabh in my life who's talking to me every day and telling me growth
hard
and
luck.
that. What do I do then?
Fine, Saurabh. Twitter पे जाओ, लिखो @Saurabh DM करो. I need you. I want you. I'll come. I'll appear.
Oh God. No, but seriously, what does Sam do then? What
Okay, so what do you do? What do you do? I'll tell you what I did. मतलब मेरे पास trauma नहीं था, to be honest. My life was good. But what did I do was I submitted myself to one person and their thoughts. एक इंसान के पीछे पड़ो. Don't go to multiple gurus. Like for example, I went to one person and said, "सर आप 2 लोगों का करूँगा मैं आग बंद करके." Now that person could be Saurabh, that person could be Gaurav, that person could be I don't know Vivek. It could be whoever. Find one person. There's a person on the internet that I love. उसको मुझसे भी ज्ञान चाहिए, उसको किसी और से भी ज्ञान चाहिए, किसी और से भी ज्ञान चाहिए. हो क्या रहा है? 6 लोगों को ज्ञान मिल रहा है, खिचड़ी बन रही है, कुछ नहीं हो रहा. लाइफ में फक हो रहा है. एक इंसान का ज्ञान पकड़ ले. ऐसा नहीं है कि मेरा ज्ञान ठीक है, ऐसा नहीं है कि वारुण का ज्ञान ठीक है, ऐसा नहीं है कि गौरव का ज्ञान ठीक है. सबका ज्ञान ठीक है, बट एक का पकड़ लो. राह पकड़ तू एक चला चल, 5 जाएगा मधुशाला. सो एक ज्ञान पकड़ो और उसके लिए रुक जाओ. डोंट कीप चेजिंग एंड जंपिंग वन टू अनदर. एंड ऐसा नहीं कि तुम उसके लिए काम करोगे, बट उसको तुम अपना वो बना लो. नॉर्थ स्टार मीट्रिक की उसके वैल्यू से काम करना है मुझे. आई मे नॉट वर्क विद दैट पर्सन, बट आई विल वर्क विद दैट पर्सनस वैल्यूज. दैट.
how would it help?
How did it help? You will follow one path and you will have one way of solving the trauma. Otherwise क्या होगा? मैं तेरे को बोलूँगा तेरा trauma solve करने का तरीका ट्रस्ट है. कोई और बोलेगा तेरा trauma solve करने का तरीका ड्रग्स है. कोई और बोलेगा तेरा trauma solve करने का तरीका क्या बोलते हैं नौकरी है. कोई और बोलेगा trauma solve करने का तरीका हार्ड वर्क है. Now all these ways and methods may not be consistent and may not make sense to each other. But moment you follow one person, automatically you have little more what do you call it, structure to the way you're thinking. That's my thought, but I could be wrong. Like I said, I'm not sure how to do this, but yeah.
हाँ जी ठीक है मेरा नेक्स्ट सवाल ये है दिस इज अ केस बेस्ड सिचुएशन यू कैन आंसर इन 5 points or how I am if let's say I am मेरे को नया नया जॉब मिला ठीक है और मैं जा रही हूँ रोज अपने काम पे
कानों से कर ली तूने साले बगावत कर रही है तू
assume
बगावत
हाइपोथेटिकल केस
फाइन
ठीक है और मेरा नया कोई तो बॉस है और वो मुझे ट्रस्ट नहीं करती
सुन रहा हूँ आगे तो बोल
अभी मैं उसके साथ ट्रस्ट कैसे बिल्ड करूं उनके वहाँ ट्रस्ट का माहौल ही नहीं है इन द एंटायर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन और मेरा जो भी फर्स्ट बॉस है वो मुझे ट्रस्ट नहीं कर रही और मेरे कोलिग्स भी नहीं कर रहे और मैं बहुत ही बेबी हूँ इन द एंटायर इकोसिस्टम व्हाट डू आई डू
चीज नंबर 1 नौकरी छोड़ दो
ओके नेक्स्ट स्टेप
ये नवल का ट्वीट था अभी 2 दिन पहले कि अगर तुम्हें नौकरी करनी पड़ती है इन गधे चीजों के लिए तो मत ही करो घर बैठो मैं पाल लूंगा तुम्हें नो I'm serious there is no next step to it the step is that if you don't have a place that allows you to thrive make mistakes live your life you should not work there at all that is one because your life is too precious to be lived for somebody else and for something else that is one second thing which is important is if you don't have the mahal try to go to places where you can control the mahal. So for example, you may not be able to control your boss, but you can definitely control your juniors. You can definitely control your peers. You can definitely choose in that network who are the 5 good people to work with. Try to become friends with them and try to open doors with them. Third, try to find reasons why doesn't exist. Is it a bad place? Are people bad? Are what do you call it? Are there poor companies? So find those reasons and try to eliminate those reasons and try to fix those. Obviously, your battle you need to fight for yourself. You don't want to fight everybody else's battle. But if you cannot fight the battle, it's okay to get out of it. You don't have to win every battle. You can walk away when somebody abuses you. That's the thing that they teach you in US. If somebody comes to you and provokes you, you don't want to get into a fight because that guy lives to fight. You don't live to fight. You live to survive and do more. You don't want to. It's okay. Call me darpoke, call me tired, call me whatever. I don't want to be in a fight wherein I don't want to be there. It's not my monkey, not my circus. 2 people are fighting over a land dispute. I don't want to jump into that. कर लो भाई भाई. दुनिया में बहुत गम है. मुझे अपने गम का ध्यान रखना है. मेरा गम है कि मैं गरीब हूँ. मैं वो करेगा. मेरे को और कोई गम नहीं है. So अगर तेरे ऑफिस सभी चुतिया लोग तेरे ऑफिस में, better to get out of the office. Find better नौकरी. And if you think that you are trapped in bad नौकरीज, then look at yourself. Why is that you only find bad नौकरीज? Like even at C4 we have people who keep finding problems all the time. No, it may be them, not us. Maybe us.
Yeah.
That's your answer.
Okay, understood. एक और सवाल तो जो मैं भूल के रुक जा वापस आएगा. हाँ, so this is all about high trust
Life.
workplaces.
High trust life.
High trust workplaces and businesses का हमने बहुत बात करा ठीक है टीम में काम पे जो भी. Where else outside of work does it help and how? मतलब
Societies, मतलब college campuses, मतलब when you are an IIT student or whatever, you trust IIT to take care of you and IIT trusts you to take care of it. So that is where trust is. So as a unit, as a group, you do far more work, far more impactful work when you have trust built into it. You go further if you have trust built into it. मतलब imagine that pack of wolves or whatever, the first few humans, the first person, man, woman, whoever ventured out of the cave, trusted the ones behind to take care of their families when they ventured out. That is trust. Today, I am sitting in a different location, AK. You trust me to do the right thing for C4E. You go to meet 5 people I trust to take to position C4E in the right way when you meet them. Say so and so forth. So that is what high trust essentially is. So trust has to be an enabler. In fact, if you have a high trust business, it will enable you. Anybody who talks to anybody at C4E allows me to compound the impact of C4E. You meet Anshika, you meet Chandni, you meet Saurabh, you meet anybody from C4E will be the right place to work on. Saurabh can meet 5 people, Anshika can meet 5 people, Chandni can meet 3 people. The 3 of us together can meet 13 people. And that is an immense value for us as a business.
Yeah.
That.
Oh.
Like today, if your college trusted you, your college will not ask you to carry ID cards.
Yeah.
If you trusted your college, you will not want to mark your attendance more than studying. You are worried about attendance marking.
Yeah.
That's a trust deficit problem. Starbucks has to have a security guard after 8 p.m. because they don't trust somebody to not rob a Starbucks outlet. That's trust. So that.
Got it. Last question, मेरे पास one नहीं है. Last question is why do you think one of the patterns in Indian society जो उसको बहुत ही trust lacking बनाता है, is it just scarcity?
No, it is not scarcity. I don't want to get lynched on the internet, but if I were to answer in one line, the answer would be we live with I don't know how to explain this. शर्मा जी का बेटा mentality. मेरे पास X है, पड़ोसी के पास Y है. Comparison. मेरे पास X है, पड़ोसी के पास Y है. उसका Y मेरे वैसे बेटर कैसे है? I don't care about मेरा Y जो है वो बढ़िया है कि नहीं है. I care about उसका मेरे से बेटर कैसे है. That seems to be the seed of all problem. तेरे पास मुझसे ज़्यादा टाइम कैसे है? तेरे पास मुझसे ज़्यादा पैसे कैसे हैं? तेरे पास मुझसे ज़्यादा क्लाउड कैसे है? तेरे पास मुझसे ज़्यादा फॉलोअर्स कैसे हैं? That is the problem in India.
तो उसका trust क्यों break down होता है?
क्योंकि तुम उस इंसान को काटने लग दौड़ते हो. अगर तेरे को दिख रहा है कि तेरे किसी दोस्त के पास तेरे से ज़्यादा पैसे हैं, तू ऑलरेडी बोल देगा अरे बाप के पैसे होंगे, अरे बॉयफ्रेंड के पैसे होंगे, अरे कुछ चोरी करके पैसे लाए होंगे वो. If you see a young girl growing up in life, you know, in a company, you will say तो बॉस क्या सो रही होगी. You don't trust that girl to work hard. You assume that she was sleeping with the boss.
Understood.
That.
For doing actual work.
Now I know you two trust each other because mind meld thought था ये.
I have a question.
हाँ.
I can see why you would second guess others. Why would you second guess yourself?
So like if I am doing something then I feel like अरे यार लेकिन मैं ये करूँगा तो how will the other person react? तो फिर वो ये करेगा, ये करेगी whatever. So that is the second guessing others. Second guessing yourself. Like you keep thinking whether the decision you're making is right or not.
एक
How do you know who to trust?
Sorry?
हाँ
How
good
do
question.
you decide who to trust?
I start with the assumption of goodwill.
Dude,
Good.
you two are good copy.
Copy paste
I
answer.
know. Have you two done the dating questionnaire, co-founder dating questionnaire?
We tried to fill it, but we didn't.
Now do we
finish.
need to? Now do we need
Yeah, it doesn't look like
They
it.
trusted
Nice.
each other with their
You know,
answers.
we independently did that the
Oh, yeah. MBTI.
window.
Oh,
MBTI.
oh.
And we have, you know,
MBTI किया था.
I used to always
I
discuss with
have a
that.
more accurate version of MBTI than both of you. Oh, founder dating MBTI.
No,
Yes.
no, just normal MBTI
हाँ.
because someone who's helping us hire for some positions, he's trying to do a little thing where he does the company DNA, then the employee DNA and tries to
Yeah.
match and ऐसा कुछ. So he made me take that quiz, which I have always found to be woo-woo. But this time I really liked it because like I was doing it for some work thing, right? So I did it seriously. तो मेरा जो
Yeah.
निकल गया तो सौरभ का भी same है.
Oh. And is it compatible? Like,
It's exact same. I don't know compatible है कि नहीं.
INFJ.
Wow.
EN क्या? ENFP.
ENFJ.
ENFJ.
Okay, I'm INTJ.
INFJ.
ENFJ.
Just
ENFJ.
ENFJ.
हाँ same ENFJ.
अरे ENFJ के आगे भी होता
A,
है.
A.
A.
She thinks we are calling her A.
I'll go
K.
study about the two of you then.
K.
Sorry, what did you say?
I'll go study about the two of you. मुझे याद नहीं है ENFJ में क्या था.
But
अच्छा था.
I don't know whether two ENFJs can work together or not. That remains to
We'll
be
find
seen.
out.
We'll
find out.
Like,
We'll find
Your
out.
company told us, will tell us.
Website called cerebralquotient.com. You can find a full report which will explain how you interact with
Saurabh,
others.
I plugged it.
Saurabh showed
already.
me
Oh,
on.
yeah.
ये plug हो गया.
Now when we have founder wala, we can plug it.
Saurabh showed me already. But yeah, I don't know if that compatibility thing is there, but it's the same. So maybe
Nice.
many of
No.
the answers will be same.
Her question was how do you trust other people? I said I operate with trust, offering
So
trust
you
first.
two answered the
I will keep
same.
offering trust till you cheat
Ah,
first.
correct.
You cheat first, I will then
Correct.
if not I will talk to you again.
Same.
Copy paste हो गया.
Nice.
सही है.
चलो.
चलेंगे. Bye. Take care.
Bye.
See you.
Bye. Okay.